To change wallpaper on your iPhone, the easiest way is to click on the side button to lock your screen, then click on it again, and right here click and hold your finger in the middle of your lock screen. Now unlock your phone, and then we can go for the customize, go for the home screen, and right here we'll be able to set a photo as our wallpaper. Let's go with this one. Click on done, and we just changed our wallpaper. You will see it in a moment when I go back, when I finally go back to home screen. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.